So this is our new product line in the Vargus, MACH line. So as you can see, here we are comparing our MACH series. It's a thread turning with a standard tool. So as you see, the cutting time the MACH is taking.
There are so many cutting tools. When it comes to finding the perfect tools, is it easy to find?
So we have a new grade in this. Thank you for coming everyone for the session.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
I mean, there's so many options, but do they all do the different job? That's the main question.
Hey, don't go with your doubts. Vargas has all the solutions for your machining needs. So thank you. Thanks for coming to see our facility. So that's what I think we have all the answers here. Whatever the challenges customer has, as you said, there are so many products, but we have products. Any problem customer has, we have solution for this. This is the latest innovation that we have done. We got the German Innovation Award 24 for this. We are going to demonstrate all these products. We have product for small part machining, we have customized solutions, we have deburring solutions, we have products for the default thread turning, we have miniature kits for the medical industry. You name any challenge, we have solution for it. And Vargas is known for its research and development, and we love to help customers. We go to their root cause, whatever the challenges they are facing in their daily needs. We believe in cost saving, productivity, cycle time reduction, and we have team across India to help our customers.
Could you please tell me that how precisely it cuts all that equipments and all the tools?
Yeah, these tools are manufactured in Israel. We have our headquarters in Israel. All the tools are really precision in terms of like threading. Vargas is known for threading, and
Right.
threading is Vargas. So all the customers in the manufacturing industry, they need a precision machining, and for precision machining, Vargas is famous in terms of manufacturing of tools in accuracy, in the tolerances, using the right substrate, coatings and geometries. If you want to know more, visit us at IMTEX Hall 3B, stand C104. Thank you. See you there.